Welcome to my channel. Today I will start a new series devoted to home automation. I will present several automation systems in the home, in the garden, and so on. You will have all the elements in my videos to come. The first system that I'm going to show you is a light switching system that can be done either with a Bluetooth connection or with a remote control or by tapping on the system. For the Bluetooth connection, I can use my phone, for example. For example, here I have my phone with my application which connects to the system via a Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth model that is here and which I'll put inside afterwards. So as soon as I press on my phone in the application, the light goes out. I press it, it lights up. So from my phone I can turn on and off the light as I like. The second system is done with my remote control. That is, I can turn it on and off using my remote control. All I need is to find the code for each button and use it in the program. So with my remote control I can turn off. If I press again, it lights up. So I can turn on and off with my remote control. For the third system, it consists in giving two small knocks on the box. It turns off. If I give two small knocks again, it lights up. So every time I give two knocks on the box, if the light was on, it turns off. If it was off, it lights up. That's very simple.